So hey, I'm AJ from West Bend Dyno. We're going to unbox some Wilwood brakes for a 1972 Chevelle. Let's see what we got here. We got brake fluid. And we got some stainless steel braided lines, proportioning valve bracket and proportioning valve, new master cylinder, and hardware kit. Caliper bracket spacers, new tube nuts, and the hardware, spacers, main caliper brackets, first caliper, drums for the parking brakes. We got the drum hats for the parking brake. Got our disc brake pads. All right, let's check out what's in the last box here. Brake pads, caliper brackets, caliper, new hubs, caliper bracket spacers, new bearings and all the hardware for the front spindles, and new front rotors. And there we got a 4-wheel disc brake kit for a 1972 Chevelle. We're gonna get this installed on the Chevelle and we'll get right back to you. All right, now that we got everything installed, let's go over some of these Wilwood components we got here. First, we removed the factory master cylinder and brake booster, and we installed the Wilwood manual master cylinder and an adjustable Wilwood proportioning valve. Now let's go check out the front and rear brakes. All right, up front here, we got some Wilwood 6-piston calipers, 13-inch Wilwood rotors, some new Wilwood hubs with studs, and some new stainless steel braided lines. The rear is a similar setup. Let's go check that out. In the rear here, we got Wilwood 4-piston calipers. We got a similar 13-inch Wilwood rotors, and we have the same stainless steel Wilwood braided line for the rear. And to finish off a complete installation of the Wilwood brakes, we're gonna be bleeding out the brakes with the Wilwood EXP 600 Plus racing brake fluid. If you're interested in massively upgrading your stopping power to your classic muscle car or your late model performance car, Wilwood has a kit for street or track for all your platforms. So if you're interested in massively upgrading your brakes, give West Bend Dyno a call.
For more information, check us out at westbenddyno.com or give us a call at 262-692-9035.